Hi there, River here at the Haven North Trade School, and we're super excited to tell you about our upcoming workshop in June. The beginning of June, we're going to be bringing some hempcrete builders from the UK. Some guys who've been doing this for decades out there and really want to bring that knowledge here to Tennessee and to the United States. As you can see in front of me, we have some of the Sanini blocks, the hempcrete blocks, and so really the aim of this training is to show what are the best and highest performing techniques for installing hempcrete, because this is paramount to success for our projects when we get and this is Tilly. Hi Tilly. So these blocks are really potentially a part of a big evolution in the hempcrete space in the US, right? Because so far most of us have been doing the cast in place. And the cast in place I find is actually probably the highest performing, because it's a monolith. But then there's other elements to it which are delaying our construction process and creating some challenges. So we're really looking to find what is the highest performing, what is the most efficient to install, and what's the most cost effective. So the blocks make a lot of sense because they're pre-cured, so we can install blocks right away. So what we're really excited about is the project we're going to be doing at this workshop. So this is a project, like a 5-day training, and we decided we've wanted to build a hempcrete podcast studio for the longest time, and so we've taken this opportunity to demo out 3 of the best, highest performing techniques. It's going to be cast in place, then it's going to be a mixture of block with cast in place, and we'll show you that. And then there's going to be a cavity wall system, which I know well from being from the UK. And the guys, Graham Durrant, who's coming over here from the UK, from the Hempcrete Forum, you'll know him, and Hemp Lime Spray. He's coming over here. He's super excited to come to the States for the first time. And we're going to be doing a podcast with them soon as well, so you can check that out. Him and Will Stanix, who wrote the Hempcrete book. So really bringing in this knowledge, these veterans in the space, who've done a lot of projects, who've worked with a lot of clients, who've worked in an environment where hempcrete's being legal, has been a building option for decades now. And they're going to help us in the States for really getting this off the ground, showing us the techniques, and sharing their knowledge with us. So hang around, stick in, and come check us out.